Ollie and the Rusty Motorcycle. Ollie was a young man with big dreams but limited resources. He lived in a small town where opportunities were scarce, and life was a constant struggle. Ollie worked as a mechanic, earning his living by repairing bikes and scooters. One day, as he was heading to his workshop, his eyes fell on an old junkyard. Among the piles of scrap metal and broken machines, he noticed a rusty motorcycle covered in layers of dust. Parts were scattered, and it looked completely lifeless. "This is useless," said the junkyard owner. "Never run again." But Ollie saw something different. To him, it wasn't just scrap, it was a challenge waiting to be conquered. Ollie bought the motorcycle and brought it to his workshop. As word spread, people gathered to see what he was doing. "Ollie, have you lost your mind? That motorcycle will never run," someone said mockingly. Ollie just smiled and replied, "This isn't just rusted metal, it's a reflection of my dreams." Ollie began his work. The first step was to remove the rusted parts and clean the engine. But as he opened the engine, he realized the task was more difficult than he had imagined. The engine was completely seized, the brakes were beyond repair, and finding spare parts for such an old model seemed impossible. Facing challenges with determination, Ollie worked day and night. While others slept, he sat in his workshop, trying to fix the worn-out parts. Many times, hours of effort went into dismantling and reassembling the engine, only to see no improvement. One night, after yet another failed attempt, Ali sat down, tired and frustrated. "Can I really do this?" he thought to himself. But then he reminded himself, success isn't supposed to be easy. It's for those who refuse to give up. With renewed determination, he got back to work. A breakthrough. After weeks of relentless effort, Ali finally achieved a breakthrough. One day, after assembling the engine for what felt like the 100th time, he tried to start the bike. At first, there was silence. Then, suddenly, the engine roared to life. The sound echoed through his small workshop, and Ali's face lit up with joy. It wasn't just the motorcycle coming to life, it was a testament to his hard work, persistence, and belief in himself. Ali polished the bike, replaced the tires, and painted it in a bright, beautiful color. The once rusty motorcycle had been transformed into a masterpiece. The town's reaction. When Ali rode the motorcycle through the streets, everyone stopped to look. The same people who had mocked him now stood in awe. "Ali, you've done the impossible," they exclaimed. Ali smiled and said, "This isn't just about fixing a bike, it's about proving that no dream is too big if you're willing to work for it." A lesson for everyone. Ali's story spread across the town, inspiring others. People started bringing their old, broken bikes to him, not just for repairs but to learn from his spirit.